Prepare this delicious spiced roast beef the savory way. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Zest the clementines and lemon. And mix with cinnamon and cloves. Chop the rosemary leaves finely and add to spice mixture. In a small bowl, combine nutmeg with a pinch of salt and pepper. Place bay leaves in the middle of a roasting pan. Place the meat on top of bay leaves and rub the meat with mustard. Sprinkle over the spice mixture and pat firmly so it adheres to the meat. Drizzle with olive oil. Roast the meat for 15 minutes at 450 degrees. Then, lower the heat to 325 degrees and roast for an additional 60 to 90 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 135 degrees. Remove the roasting pan from the oven and let the meat rest for 15 minutes, loosely covered with foil. Cut into slices. And that's the savory way to make a spiced roast beef.